everyone and welcome back to my channel OrgaNatic. In today's video I'm going to share with you ideas on how to organize a place under a kitchen sink in a useful way and with minimum effort. Let's get started! A classic kitchen sink has either a drawer underneath or a cabinet with opening doors. The basics of organizing a drawer is indeed a little different from organizing a cabinet. Here we have to focus on our horizontal storage area. Typically, it should be organized in one level. Therefore, it is more logical to store items that take up little space horizontally and are rather tall. When choosing a trash can, it's better to look for tall and rectangular types. This kind of trash can is the best option for our drawer. Its height is optimal in this case and the drawer will close without problems. Next, we analyze the remaining space. For easy storage, you can fit two of my favorite kitchen organizers. These tall and slim helpers are ideal for storing a variety of cleaning products for the kitchen. Of course, you can do without them, but the downside of the drawer is that when we open it harshly, all the bottles likely to fall and get mixed up. Not to mention, when we take the trash can out, they tend to fall on its spot, preventing it from being returned there easily. And with the help of these two organizers, all the bottles will remain in place, even if the drawer bursts open. It's convenient to squeeze in a dustpan and a brush in the gap between the organizer and the trash can, even though there isn't much space. If you don't feel like selecting organizers for the drawer yourself, there are options that are designed specifically for that. Very soon I will introduce you to all the new ways of managing your kitchen storage. Please hit the subscribe button so you won't miss on any of my upcoming videos. So, we got to the most interesting part. You're likely to find this type of cabinets with doors under the sinks of many kitchens, and it can be organized depending on your needs and the number of things you want to keep there. As you might have noticed, this cabinet lacks any order for storage, but we are about to fix it quickly. For starters, I will empty the entire cabinet. There is lots of stuff here, so make sure to have space ready for temporarily put it away. In the next step, we decide what to keep and what needs to be replaced. An area under a sink typically isn't the cleanest place in a house, so you may have to clean, wipe or wash some of the items that have been stored there. Of course, it's a good idea to wipe the insides of the cabinet itself. If desired, you can install a shelf or a cabinet liner on the bottom, which absorbs sounds and protects surfaces from scratches. Back to all the things that will be stored in the cabinet under our sink. If you sort and store things by category, it will be much easier to find item later. When we can see the count of the things in each category, it becomes easier to choose the right organizers for them. Let's move on to my favorite part, the organization of the cabinet itself. This trash can is quite bulky and won't fit near the sides. The only possible placement here is in the center. My beloved tall and slim organizers will be useful to store cleaning products here as well. They can even serve as drawers themselves and be pulled out whenever you need to grab something. Or you can take the whole container with you if you need to clean somewhere else. On the left side of the cabinet, it makes sense to place a shelf insert for small storage. I put a container with various items that I rarely use underneath it. And the two containers with folded clothes bags and kitchen towels go on top. Since these containers are near the trash can, it's better to close them with lids. The dishwasher tablets are now stored in a see-through organizer. The cabinet doors can be useful as well with the help of a classic all-over-the-door hanging rack, if necessary. But even more efficient would be using a two-level over-the-cabinet basket. Of course, it works best on high-quality furniture. Make sure that over-the-door organizers are lightweight and aren't overstocked, so your doors won't go crooked or break. I organize the second door with adhesive hooks. One of them holds a dustpan with a brush and the other a pair of rubber gloves that are hung using a binder clip. You can use adjustable tension rod to arrange temporary or permanent storage for cleaning clothes or even a kitchen towel. So guys, thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you next week. Bye bye!